Good morning, Queens. Good morning, Queens. Cora. Uh-oh. Is that the way y'all say good morning? That the way y'all say good morning? Can y'all say good morning to the vlog? Say, all right. Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy TYT, and you're on TYT Vlogs. Let's get it, let's go, y'all. Good morning. Just out here with the dogs. Just straight getting it on to the break of dawn. It's Cora. Cora, say hi to the vlog. Your little skinny, long butt. But it's garbage day, man, so I'm going ahead and take these garbage cans out, and we'll get out here and go to Dunkin' and get this day started. So sit back, relax, and strap it down. Come along as I go throughout my day being TYT. Yo, so what's good, fam? Man, it's 7:55, y'all, so it's 5 minutes to 8, and I already did 2 McDonald's deliveries, y'all. So I got $16. So today's starting off pretty good so far. I mean, if I could just keep it going, man, because it's lit up out here on the map, but it is what it is. But y'all already know, man, I'm at Dunkin' like a mug. I'm out about to go ahead and grab me a coffee, y'all. So I'll let y'all in a minute, man. Crazy, man. Tree got straight level, not straight level, like, but that limb just got. Welcome to the beginning of monsoon season, guys. That's what those winds do. They just knock trees over like they're nothing. I'm so stressed out, guys. So I've been out here since 7 o'clock this morning. And I have the earnings like I've been out here since 9. It's 12 o'clock right now, y'all. This is so stressful. And then now, you thirst for deliveries, and then they finally start sending them. And then you accept the wrong one, like, and then I accept the wrong ones. So like, and I'm not paying attention to where they're at, the restaurant. I'm thinking that I'm picking up at a Panda in Queen Creek, and it ends up being a Panda in Gilbert. And now and then, since I'm talking about stressful stuff, so I gotta turn one of these apps off, but then, with me trying to do both of these apps, I'm getting sent everywhere, so I'm burning like gas like crazy, but not making a lot of money. I'm at a quarter of a tank. I mean, I used a quarter of a tank already. Just doing all this stupid driving. Where if I just would have this morning just waited around, I probably would still have made the same amount of money right now, but use way less gas. But what I was finna talk about was I signed up for Walmart Spark. Like, it had to be it was a long time ago, sometime last year, like maybe September, August, maybe October. But I get an email from them today talking about something. We regret to say that we can't accept, you know, and then it brings up a charge on my account, I mean on my background from 2019. So it is what it is, man. I really, you know, They couldn't. I mean, they shouldn't even just sent me the email, man. Like I thought that they sent it to me already, but it is what it is, man. You know, I got too many apps anyway right now. It's so hot out here, man. Anyway, so I'm coming up to Dunkin', man. I'm gonna get me a coffee, and I'm gonna actually finish editing my video from this channel from yesterday, and I'm gonna chill because my phone done overheated again because it's so hot. So I'll holler at y'all when I get in here. Man, it's the next morning, y'all. I came home straight, barely edited my video, and just straight passed out, y'all. At like 10 o'clock, 10:30, something like that. Something stupid, man. But it is what it is, man. When you get up at like 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, man, that tends to happen sometimes, man. But I appreciate y'all checking me out. Man, I straight like just dropped the ball yesterday on this channel, man. I hope y'all still enjoyed the video. But like around like 7 o'clock I went into the gym. And this camera like fell, you know, card fell out and everything. And then I didn't record when I got in the gym, man. I meant to, but I didn't. So that goes the end of my of this video. But it is what it is, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it nonetheless. You know, it's just a whole lot of rolling shots of the wind and stuff like that. But it is what it is, man. Thanks for checking it out, though. You know what I mean? If you could you just leave me a like and subscribe to the channel, man? Show your boy some love. But I'm Audi 5000, man. Catch y'all later on.